Hey, what's up everyone, I'm John. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get started with Camtasia Studio. The tutorial is meant for beginners, but I also hope those who are beyond the level will enjoy watching the video. If this is something that you are interested in, hit that like button, and if you'd like to see more of this, click the subscribe button. And to be notified of future videos, click the notification bell. Having said that, it's time to begin. When you open Camtasia, there is a good chance that you'll be taken to this interface. The Camtasia interface is divided into three different sections. We have at the bottom here the timeline section. We also have the canvas, and we have the tools. So the tools panel is one that will have the tools such as the media, the annotations, behaviors, cursor effects, and when you click on these, you're going to see even more effects like the visual effects, interactivity, captions, and all that. If you want to start your first recording, all you need to do is to click on this button that says record. So in this case, you'll be recording applications, slideshows, websites, audio, cursor movements, and more. You can even record the full screen or part of the screen. A Camtasia Studio, just like the Adobe applications, will use the menu-driven interface. As you can see from on top here, we have the various commands like file all through to the help. Clicking on a specific command will display a menu of other commands. Like in this case, the modify will display options or commands such as add animations, add behaviors, adding effects, all through to adding smart focus. And now that we at least know our way around, I think it's a good time that we start our first recording. To start recording in Camtasia, all you need to do is to click the record button. Upon clicking the record button, the Camtasia Studio interface will be minimized, and what you're going to see is this panel down here. The panel will contain some tools that will help you to control how the recording will happen. For instance, you can be able to come and select the area of the screen that you want to record. In this case, you can be able to record the full screen or part of the screen. You can also be able to turn on or off the camera as well as the audio. When you're done, click the record button. This will start the recording. As the recording continues, you can be able to see the recording duration, the audio status, as well as the options to delete, pause, and stop the recording. When you finish recording, just click the stop button or simply press F10. This will not only stop the recording, but it will also place the recording on the media section. From here, you can drop it to the timeline section to edit it. Now that we have the media in the timeline, we can trim it, cut it, and even sprint it. To enhance your video, you can add shapes, text, and highlights. To do this, just head on to the Tools panel, select Annotations, and you're going to see the various annotations here, which varies from callouts, arrows and lines, shapes, specials, sketch motions callouts, and keystroke callouts. So if you're interested with the callouts, just click on it and you're going to see the basic callouts here. If you're looking for more callouts, you can just click on the drop down and select from the abstract, bold, urban, or legacy. If you're looking forward to see all of them in one place, just click all and you're going to see all the callouts. So just look for the callout that you want and you can drag it to the video. You can be able to come and resize the callout or even add text. You can also be able to come and rotate it to position it however you want. When you have the callout selected, you can head on to properties, and here you can be able to have more control of how the callout looks and behave. For instance, I can come and change the text font to say Lato. So you can just come and look for Lato text font. So just come and select it like that. I can also come and select whether it should be regular, bold or italics. I can also come and adjust the size. Just drag on this, in which case the size will be adjusted. I can also come and select the alignment of the text and also the auto rotate of the text. More importantly, I can also be able to come and change the color of the text. When you're done, just click on the properties and that pane will be hidden. But also remember, if you just need to reverse your action, you can just come and click on this and everything will be as it was before you edit it. When you finish editing your video and you're satisfied with how the video looks, it's time to share it. To share a video in Camtasia, just look for this green button that is written share. Just click on it. Camtasia allows you to create a local file, or you can even share it online. For instance, you can share it with screencast.com, you can share it on Vimeo, YouTube and also Google Drive. In my case, I'm going to create a local file. So I'm just going to click local file, and then it will open this production wizard. So what I usually do, I just click on the drop down, then I come and select the quality of my video. I usually go with up to 1080 because this will be a high definition video. You can also go with the 720, which is also a HD video. So I'm just going to click the MP4, which is up to 1080 pixels. Upon doing that, I'll just come and say next, and here I'm going to give it a name. So I can just come and call it getting started with Camtasia tutorial, and then I can just come and select the location where that video should be saved. So I'm just going to come and click that file, and then I can come and select where the file should be saved. So you just can save it here. So I'll just come and say save. I should see that location here, or that path rather here, and then I can just come and click finish, and the production should start immediately. And that is all that I was able to cover in this video. Kindly click that like button, subscribe to my channel so that you can support my work. See you in the next one, and as usual, stay safe.